this is what you want to see, right?
Whenever you write, you say, real India, real India. This is the real India.
Slumdog Millionaire.
Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now?
Welcome, guys, to my favorite part of the year in India, the festive season, and the countdown to India's biggest festival, Diwali. What you see here is the Dussherra Carnival, or Mela as we call it in India, and it's as weird and wonderful as it can get. Look at this little girl. Yeah, there's a lot of kids here doing things they shouldn't be doing. And honestly, I had quite a few beers before going to this thing, and I almost got this tattoo. Thank God I didn't. So, me and my friend are totally wasted. That's why we look so happy, and we were just buying shit we don't even need. We bought a bunch of like these cute little animals, stuffed toys. And I highly recommend getting drunk before ever going to an Indian Mela because look around, it's a crazy world. It's so trippy, it's magical. Look at this. Look at this little kid. What's happening here? Time for a first ride. The Ferris wheel of death. Let's go, guys. So this put me back by 100 rupees or $1 for this ride.
सीधे मौत सीधा मौत है भाई नहीं बढ़ रही थी
इसमें मेरी पड़ेगी
भाई बढ़ेगी तो इसमें भी
Say something, Raj.
Yeah?
Say something about it.
भाई ये पीक देसी एक्सपीरियंस है बेंचो और किसी कंट्री में नहीं मिल सकता ये
जो मौत का कुआं है क्या
And this thing in front of you is called Columbus in India.
अंडरग्राउंड रपा अपना छोड़ कर तो मौत का दलसा
मौत के कुएं में जाएंगे गियर है
Tires and gears for this whole thing. Yeah.
गैंड बढ़ेगी अब
गाने चलेंगे तेरे भाई के
This right here is my best friend Harshit, and he has this annoying habit of singing whenever he gets wasted. Like, he loves to sing.
फिर रोक दिया बहन के रोड
और जब क्या था
मुर्गा सोचिए कि अंडे का क्या होगा
जब ऐसे नहीं था जब हो होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल ओ चाची ऑल इज वेल अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे कट जाएगी। आपका क्या होगा जनाबे अली, आपका क्या होगा। थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे वैसे कट जाएगी। आपका क्या होगा जनाबे अली, आपका क्या होगा। अपने ऊपर ना नीचे, ना कोई आगे पीछे रोने वाला, ना कोई रोने वाली जनाबे अली, आपका क्या होगा। आपका क्या होगा जनाबे अली, आपका क्या होगा। अब इंग्लिश हो जाए भाई।
ओए भाई चुप हो जा।
So my friend, the end is
What a face!
It looks funny, but I'm scared to death on these rides because there's literally no safety. There's nothing. It's rudimentary, guys. Like it can fall apart, you know?
भूल गया। कोई नहीं, दूसरा।
भाई हो गया। और
बड़ा हो या छोटा।
So this ride is quite accurately called the Well of Death. And you might have seen it on that viral song by Hanuman Kind, Big Dogs. If you haven't, like, this will blow your mind. This is it, guys. This was the Dussherra Mela this year, and it was crazy. It was super fun. I wish we had done a lot more, but that's all we could do that day. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you tell me in the comment section if I should do more videos like this, like not even travel related, just having fun doing stupid shit. You know? Yeah, let me know. And enjoy this bonus section of me doing stupid shit again.
क्या कर रहे हो बकचोदी, क्या चल रही है। कहाँ है पुलिस वाला? भाई क्या हो रहा है ये? पुलिस वाले क्यों आ गए यहाँ पे? ये रहा पुलिस वाला, ये रहा। भाई
इस बात को पूरा वीडियो नहीं बना।
अमेरिकी पुलिस नहीं है।
रात फिर भाई चाउमीन खाते हैं सुबह वाली।
10 रुपए वाली चाउमीन का मजा आ रहा है कुछ। एक बार खा ही लेते, आ जाओ भाई।